Привет.
Hello everyone.
Итальянский
This is the
Sescuremme K3.
Italian Sescuremme K3.
K3. Итальянская Mottura Viper.
Italian Mottura Project
Viper.
Viper.
Masterlock.
Masterlock can be found in different doors, can be found in Chinese doors. Buonelle, all keys are similar. There is a power key for them, but it often breaks the cylinder and the lock is unusable after opening. That's why we made an impression tool with foil, and after it the lock usually always remains intact. This is a very strong and powerful impression, so the included handle is long to make it easier to work, since it will require effort. We use foil 06. I have already prepared 4 blanks, but I'll do one again now to show you, because it's important. If you make the form poorly, it will work poorly. We cut off the strip and move the strip to the right before shaping it. Thus,
выходит дальше. Вот так. Не вровень, да, ложим, а сдвигаем направо, чтобы она вот выходила. Потому что сейчас, когда будем равнять, ее затянет вовнутрь. Потом берем кредитку, ну, любую карточку.
now we swipe a plastic card in the center.
Вот она центральная, она глубокая. Задавливаем. То же самое вот второе ребро.
And now along the remaining 2 edges.
Третье ребро. Дальше уже можно просто...
Then you can level it with your fingers.
Просто пальцами. Очень хорошо равняем каждую вот эту вот.
I smooth each guide very well.
Ну вот, в принципе, и все.
And now you can transfer it to the working side of the tool.
Да, кстати,
by the way, lubricant is not required,
она не обязательно, но она
but is advisable. It will be easier and faster with it. There is less chance that something will break there. So I am going to use a lubricant. So we have 8 locks here, and now we will try to open all of them. We didn't make a separate instrument for Mottura, since there are many wave options, so we decided to make a universal one. Slowly at first, then you can load it more and more, but don't do it right away.
То есть мы не одним-двумя движениями скручиваем, мы расшатываем.
That is, we are swinging it.
Раскачиваем. Крутится с небольшим усилием.
It rotates
С не очень сильным.
with a little effort.
Теперь можем попробовать ключ.
Now we can check the key.
Замок абсолютно рабочий.
The lock is absolutely working.
Еще одна Mottura Project.
Another Mottura project.
Не обязательно именно ВД, можно какой-то аналог ВД. Проверяем ключ.
Let's check the key.
Замок остался рабочий.
The lock is operational.
Еще одна Mottura Project.
Another Mottura project.
Проверяем ключ.
Let's check the key.
Рабочий.
Works.
Это Buonelle.
This is
Не
Buonelle.
знаю, кто производитель, похож на Италию. Смотрим фольга, чтобы заходила хорошо, ну, непонятно.
Make sure the foil goes in without being wrinkled. Otherwise, it may not open.
Тут кулачок не очень цепляет. Masterlock.
This is Masterlock.
Masterlock она заходит более плотно.
It fits into Masterlock more tightly. It's better to even it out a little.
И обращать внимание.
And check when entering so that the foil does not tear.
Пробуем ключ.
Let's try the key.
Замок рабочий.
The lock is working.
Так, Sescuremme.
Now Sescuremme K3.
K3 Sescuremme.
K3 comes with different profiles. There is a profile like ours, but there is also another. By the way, there is also Yale cylinder, series 2000, with the similar key, and most likely they still can open it as well. We just don't have this lock in stock to check. Sescuremme also comes in tighter than Mottura. Let's check the key. The lock is operational.
Еще один Sescuremme K3.
Another Sescuremme K3.
Проверяем ключ.
Let's check the key.
Все работает.
The lock is operational.
Еще один K3.
Another K3.
ВДшка
Lubricant
не обязательно, но
is highly recommended.
очень желательно. С ВДшкой все получается проще и быстрее. Проверяем ключ.
Let's check the key.
Все работает.
The lock is operational.
Так. Вот у нас
So here are 8 cylinders. We've opened all of them.
8 цилиндров, мы их все вскрыли, все замки остались целые.
All of them remain
Цена
intact. The price of the tool will be on the website. The link is under this video. Bye.